So this is a quick video on how to use Google Hangouts. With Google Hangouts, there are two different types. First, there's Hangout chat, so kind of like a Facebook chat, and second, there's video Hangouts. So video Hangouts are more like Skype or FaceTime. Anybody who has access to a Gmail account in our board also has access to Hangouts. So that means this year, all staff have access to Hangouts. Students don't, because students don't have Gmail accounts. If you look at your Gmail, likely on the bottom left-hand side, you'll see something like this. So you see people's contacts, probably people that you've emailed recently. But if you click down at the bottom here, next to where it says Hangout Contacts, you'll see Hangout Conversations. And Hangout Conversations, like I said, they're just quick chats that you have with people. And they're a really good way to back channel. So for example, sometimes people will send me a Hangout chat and I'll be in a meeting and I'll answer that chat a lot faster than I would answer an email. Or sometimes you may have a question that you want to throw out to a group of people, and rather than having to hit reply all the time and have a million different emails, you can have one chat that has everybody's conversation right in there. So to set up a Hangout chat, all you do is click on the magnifying glass next to your name and start typing someone's name in. So here I'm in a chat with Denise, and let's just say I want to add someone else to this chat. I want to add Kim Fig. I hit the little person with the plus sign and I add Kim Fig and add people. So now it's going to open up this new chat where there are all three of us in one chat. So I would see this being really applicable for all the principals. You may want to set this up so that you have a way to back channel. You know, if you have a question, you can shoot it out to all the principals, or maybe all the special education resource teachers. You may want something similar as well. A few things. Just so you know, everything that's written in a chat, it stays in the board. So there's a history there and you can't change that. It will be recorded and it will be archived. That's just for security purposes. There's also a chat app, or sorry, a Hangout app. So if you have an iPhone or an Android phone, you just go to the App Store and search Google Hangouts, and it's completely free, and you just log in with your board email and password, and then you can access all of these chats on your phone as well. So it's a really accessible tool. You don't have to have your computer in front of you to participate in the chat. A few other things, and these are just little extra tidbits. Up here on my computer, I'm signed into Chrome. These are Chrome extensions. So you can add these to your version of Chrome on your computer if you'd like by going to the Chrome Web Store. I'm not going to go too much into what the Chrome Web Store is or anything like that, but if you already know, there is a Google Hangout extension, which means that I can access my Hangouts on any screen. So normally when you're having a Hangout chat, it will just pop up in your email. If I'm in my calendar and I have this Hangout extension, I can access it from any tab that I'm in. Just a little warning, with Hangouts, with the extension, if somebody messages you on the extension, it will pop up on your screen. So if you don't want people to be able to see, like if you're oftentimes projecting with your computer, you may not want to enable that extension at that time. Another thing that I wanted to teach you about chats quickly. Some people don't like having the chats on the bottom left of their screen. They feel like there's not enough space for it. So in Gmail, there's something called labs. And labs are just features that people at Google have been, they've been working on, but they're not part of the actual Gmail yet. But you can add them. So if I go to settings and then settings again, labs will be one of my options. And there is a right side chat lab. So up here, there's labs. So labs, it's kind of like they're experimenting. So all you do is search for right side chat, and there it is by Emily C, and enable it. You save your changes. And now, rather than taking up space on the left part of your screen, your chat's going to be on your right side of the screen. So there it is. And it's a little bit easier to see all of your chats on the right-hand side. One more thing, chats are available in Gmail, but they're also available in Google+. Again, I'm not going to really go into exactly what Google+ is. You may have noticed recently that there's a little plus sign in your name at the top of your Gmail. If you click there, it's going to take you into Google+, and you can also start a Hangout from here. So I go to Home, Hangouts, and it will bring me to the Hangouts page. And if you want, from here you can explore video Hangouts a bit or take a look at Hangouts on Air. Okay, thanks. Let me know if you have any questions.